Thank you, Modern Manufacturing India. So I'm Sriram Viji, Managing Director at Brakes India and head of the southern region of ACMA. So the show at IMTEX has been really spectacular. I just want to talk to you about the growth of the industry. So the auto component industry is a big contributor to the manufacturing segment of India. It's a big contributor to both employment as well as the GDP of the country. So the component industry has grown over the last several years, and today the revenue of the auto component industry is in excess of 6.1 lakh crore, and it's also a significant contributor to exports from India. Over 25% of the total sales is in exports. The Prime Minister has laid out a very bold vision of the component industry growing along with the automotive industry, and for the industry to generate a significant portion of our export growth. The industry already provides an export surplus, and this is expected to grow as the world looks for more competent manufacturing sources for the global supply chain. The partnership between ACMA and IMTMA has been a long-standing one, but this edition of the conference is relatively new. We've taken the opportunity to reconnect with IMTMA and do a combined conference. We hope that the Indian machine tool manufacturing industry will grow along with ACMA, and they will kind of work hand in hand to develop the next generation of solutions, whether it be the next set of machine tools, automation, or Industry 4.0 offerings for the industry. Now, the conference today has focused on the transformation that the auto industry as well as the component industry is going through. As you're aware, there are changes due to the electrification of vehicles, due to the nature of connected vehicles coming about, as well as in the manufacturing processes involved in the component industry. So we look forward to this partnership being a long-term one. We look forward to the machine tool industry in India growing, developing, and becoming world-class so that the auto component industry can benefit from this, localize its machine purchases, and become globally competitive.